Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to be taking the car to Shogun for some work, and on the way there, we're going to be taking some shots with the new Insta360 X3. So Insta360 graciously sponsored this video, so I want to show you what this camera is capable of. It's capable of some really cool shots, and the first one I want to show you is the unicorn shot with the camera on this invisible selfie stick and mounted with suction mount. Let me just show you what it looks like. So here we go. This is the ball head that they sent me, and they also sent me this vacuum mount, and it's attached to their invisible selfie stick. And this is the Insta360 X3. This thing is super powerful. It pretty much replaces traditional action cameras because you have camera in the front and the back, which enables you to get that 360 shot, but you can also set it to record just from the front. See, it's got this beautiful screen in the front, and you can set it so it'll be just a single lens, and it'll record either from the front, or you can change it to the back as well. So it's the inner lens right now. See, I'm filming myself. Okay, but we're gonna be using the 360 camera. So all I have to do is switch to 360 mode, and there we go, we're ready to go. I can like move around the shot, and you can see myself. But the whole thing is always going to be recording. So all we have to do is press start to record. Start recording like that. And let's get some shots with this really cool unicorn setup over here in my S2000. All right. So we need to go to the gas station because I need to get some gas. So let's just get some shots on the way there. All right, we're here at the gas station. It's pretty cool, very simple shot. Just stop it like this. All right, so the next shot I want to show you guys is something called the nose shot, which is this funny shot that's been going around on social media. What you gotta do is basically hold this in your mouth while you're filming. It's super funny. Alright guys, now that we have some gas, the next shot I want to get is this head mounted shot. Yeah, screw it in, and we're gonna get some shots on the way to Shogun like this, and then I'll pull over somewhere on one of the parking areas so we can switch it up. This kind of disappears in the middle. It's silly, but it is what it is. pretty awesome shots. The next shot that I want to get is the outside the window shot, and we're here at Daikokufuto, so we're just gonna go in like this little bit of a circle. All I'm gonna do is basically just stick this out the window and get that shot. Shot that I want to get is what is called like the vlog shot, and it's cool because you can basically, you know, use the Insta360 to just film, and then you can kind of reframe it later. So we're gonna do the really simple, really cool vlog shot. So I was just walking around with it, holding it like this, and that was pretty much it. How much easier can you get? So the next shot I want to get is the most famous shot probably with Insta360 with car guys, and that is the bumper shot. So I'm gonna mount it onto the back of the hardtop, or maybe on the truck itself, and we'll just get some shots. Should be cool. It's now all set up for the bumper shot. This is the coolest shot you can get with the Insta360. I'm using this triple gecko mount, and it is attached to the invisible selfie stick. I have some Gorilla Tape here so it doesn't move around. This thing is super stable, and this thing is not very heavy, so it's not moving around very much either. And yeah, we are going to get this shot. It's going to be totally dope, and this is what it looks like. And basically this thing is going to look like an RC car. Actually, I think I'm going to make this a little bit shorter. I think if this is a little bit shorter, it'll be a little bit more stable. Plus, we don't want the shot to be super high. I think this is going to be good for that Gran Turismo kind of look. And that's how it looks from the front. Yeah, I just wanted to show the car, guys. Honestly, the car's... And we got 40 minutes, and we got about half battery left. So let's go. Oh, come on, don't tell me to stop filming. Alright guys, so we're gonna try that again. Let's put the Insta360 back up here, and let's get some videos. Alright, all ready to go, and let's get going. guys, so we are now here at Shogun, but actually today's actually a work day. I took my lunch break to film this video, and now I actually gotta go back to the office. So Jake is gonna drive me back, and there's one more shot I actually forgot to take, which is the onboard shot. And it's really cool because we're able to film both forward and backwards, and we can get both shots and we can use them later. So Jake is just gonna drive me to the station. We're gonna pop this into basically on the dash with the included mount, and let's get that last shot, and then let me give you my thoughts. All right, let's go.
Shinkiba, middle of the day. It's not really
Yeah,
ideal
so many trucks.
test spot. Trucks and bikers.
So what I really like about this Insta360 is how it can function as both a dash cam and you can get yourself in the shot as well. That's really, really cool. This thing is very convenient. I think it really makes other 360 cameras, it makes other action cameras quite obsolete. Alright guys, so hope you guys enjoyed today's video about basically a drive from home to Shogun, and all the way we're able to test out the new Insta360 X3 and see what it's capable of. You get all these really, really cool shots that are pretty much impossible to get any other way with a traditional camera. But with a 360 camera, you can basically set it, film, and you can reposition it, you can reframe it later on. And it really allows a lot of different creative possibilities that were simply not possible with just traditional cameras and even action cameras in years past. So I really think that this camera is definitely worth a purchase, and it's a huge step up from the previous model that they sent me, the X2, just about a year ago. And yeah, check it out. You'll be able to get some really cool shots, and I have an affiliate link, so make sure to check my link. There's a link in the description box, and if you pick it up from there, you'll get a small discount, and I'll also be able to get a small commission. And it's just a huge thank you to you guys for supporting this channel, and hopefully we'll be able to use this camera more in the future. And thanks again to 360, and thanks again to Insta360 for sponsoring this video and sending this camera, and I can't wait to use it more in the future. So thanks again. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out and stay safe out there, have fun, and enjoy the drive.